So we want to do some cleaning today in the kitchen. We want to clean some portion of the wall that has become dirty, the area where cooking is being done. That's what we want to do today. And then we mop the floor also. So we need water, we need detergent, we need a sponge. We have detergent here and the water, clean water. We have the sponge and all this, and then we have a scrubbing brush. We have scrubbing brush here. So we need a clean clothes also and some mopping stick to do the cleaning. That's what we want to do today. We put detergent in water. Clean the walls, the two sides of the wall, using the soapy water. We need water and clean clothes. We need clean water and some clean clothes to mop out the walls. That's the last part of the cleaning of the wall. You need a cotton piece of clothes to do this, so that I can easily soak out the soapy water from the wall. So you can see how clean it is now. Now, after that, we want to proceed to mopping the floor. To mop the floor, first of all we scrub with the scrubbing brush. To get a very perfect clean, you can add bleach or some cleaning solution to the soapy water, the detergent water, to obtain the perfect clean. If there is any area that is hard to clean, then you achieve a better work. You achieve a better job done. That matter. After then we mop out the water. So like I said, if you have any difficult parts, portion of the floor or wall which is hard to clean, you need to add cleaning solution such as bleach to the water with the detergent, and then use that to scrub the area. Then you will obtain a better work. You achieve a better result. Next is to also pour another clean water on the floor to rinse the floor, then mop it out. So we have clean water here. Okay, then mop that out. Mop out the water. Now after doing this, we will need to apply mopping stick and some rag to finally clean the floor. Finally, The job is done. You can see the floor now, very clean. Likewise the wall, very, very clean. Can we see that? Very nice work. Yes. Good job. Perfect. You can see the floor now. Very clean.